So, whenever I wash my Tesla Model 3, I get this problem that the water is all over the frunk. To fix this, I got this car hood seal strips, waterproof air inlet bonnet cover, front chassis guard protector, auto accessories for Tesla Model 3 Y hash color Model 3 from AliExpress for $15. So let's see what's in here. So we have a sealing rubber, and also some plastic brackets. So you'll probably have to connect these like this and align against the edge of the front hood. We'll also have to pry these out, these four black plastics, so that we can insert our plastic brackets. And the kit does come with a pry tool. So before just connecting the rightmost bracket, we'll have to connect it to the middle bracket just as so, and then align it against the hood.
Yeah.
Now we can grab our leftmost bracket and connect it with the middle bracket against the front hood. Just make sure that you remove the red sticker. So once all the brackets have been installed, you can then insert the sealing rubber starting from the rightmost bracket and dragging it along the middle bracket all the way to the leftmost bracket. So once everything is in place, you are then left with a piece of sealing rubber on the right side of the frunk, which you can just cut using a pair of scissors. Now I'll grab a bucket of water and just splash it on the windshield. Then I'll just open the front hood to check if it really worked, and yeah, it seems like it worked, but not by much. I can still see a few drops of water. So this was before installing the ceiling, and this is after installing the ceiling. So what did you think of this product? Please let me know on the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.